The FlyJV merch is officially out now. Get your hoodies, t-shirts, face masks, and tank tops for the gym, and I'll see you guys at the store. Teespring link in the description down below. Previously on the FlyJV vlog.
Got the mitts, boy.
YouTube, I just made it into my room. It is now, it's about to be 10. So this is my room. Okay, I can't complain. It was a 5-hour flight. I'm gonna get some rest, some more rest. I think I'm gonna go down to get some breakfast first though, because I'm hungry, and then just sleep for like at least 3 hours, I'd say. We got the simulator tonight at 10 p.m. until 2 a.m. So it's a 4-hour session. For now, let me change my clothes. But let me give you a tour of the room as we normally do. Let's go. Get a little study desk over here, so that's probably where I'm gonna be studying before the sim. Got 2 beds. I mean, nice. TV, you know. And I got a kettle here. I can brew myself some tea, make myself some coffee. Wonder what kind of stuff they got. I mean, what's in here though? Okay, perfect. All the equipment is in here. Okay, that's fine. Earl Grey tea, English breakfast, Nescafe. Let's get it. Duck. Alright. Boom. Shampoo. Shower gel. And we got the conditioner. Bathroom here. I mean, it's a standard bathroom, pretty small, but it's got everything it needs. Let's see what it looks like outside. What is it looking like over here? What's the view like? Yeah, I mean, nothing special really. Okay, let's just move on from this. All right, it's time to go get some breakfast. Let's do this. Breakfast of champions, omelette, mushrooms, and some bacon on the side. Sweet and simple, let's get it. I had a nap afterwards as I was very tired from the flight. 3 p.m. Having a coffee. Gonna go meet with my sim partner in a few minutes to study. And then get this done, man. So tired. I was so tired, man. Flight was very comfortable. We had like the recliner seats. Like, you know, I was in business class, so we had like the recliner seats that went like fully horizontal, so it was very comfortable to sleep in. Okay guys, so I'm enjoying a little bit of room service before the simulator, man. It's time to relax and not worry about working no more. everything that needs to be done has been done, and nothing's going to be changed by last minute stress and last minute looking at stuff, because that's just confusing for your brain. Okay, so just let everything simmer down inside of your head and enjoy a last minute meal before you go and get into it. So I'm about to enjoy this. I'll talk to you in a second. Cheeseburger, fries, cappuccino, got the ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. That's pretty much it, man. Alright guys, it's time for a simulator. Simulator done, number 1. Can tick that off. It was an excellent sim according to the flight instructor, so I'm happy with that. I still feel like I could have performed it a little bit better. I haven't flown in 4 months, so I'm a little bit rusty, but everything was fine. Like honestly, we treated the ECAMs and the procedures very, very well. Surprisingly well, to be honest, for how long we haven't flown because of COVID. But yeah, man, can't complain. Back to the room, get some rest. Tomorrow's another day. Let's keep on moving, man. End of the day. Productive. Sim done. You have the examination in sim tomorrow. Low visibility sim the day after. Yeah, I like how things are progressing, man. I'm learning a lot. Getting exposed to a lot of different situations. I enjoy these sims. It puts you in kind of stressful situations because you have no control over like what exactly is going to happen. But at the same time, it's like if you manage to nail them and you manage to prepare them adequately like you're supposed to, it's literally just a plus. Like you just get better and better every time. And like when you're actually doing these real flights, you're just ready for like anything and everything, you know. It's like it's always a plus. That's what I like about it. So anyway guys, it is now 2 a.m. 3 a.m. It's time for me to contemplate going to bed. So that is what I'm gonna do. So I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Yeah, let's do that. FlyJVCrew. Morning, YouTube. Paris. Day 2. Start the day off with a coffee. I forgot to prepare tomorrow's sim session. So I got my computer here. I got my plates, I got my charts, I got my MEL, I got my FCTM and my FCOM. We've got a briefing yesterday night after the first sim, so I'm gonna prepare what he's talked about. And when that is done, I'll be free for a little bit of rest, and I'll also be able to meet up with my partner to be able to review and just put all of that information like be able to meet up with my sim partner, and we'll be able to exchange about all this information and talk about it and discuss strategies and how we're gonna assess the situation and perform in the sim, etc. It's all a plan of action. Everything changes. You have to adapt to what happens in the sim at the end of the day, but it's always good to just have these discussions and just be able to talk with your partner, to have a like-minded way of just seeing the whole problem. So That's what the plan is for now.
Sens descente. Fermeture des portes.
Back at the training center for another 4-hour sim, examination style. Let's kill this. Last sim, official, done. Now, it's time for another adventure. I'll brief you, but for now, it's not the time for that. For now, it's time to just take in the day. All right. What's up, YouTube? It's 3 a.m. right now. So, let's talk about what I gotta do now. Basically, I need to.
When it's so hot, I put the focus on gold and the green, breaking it up, cooking the blueprint on top of my brain. I just pull up with a vision, JV is out for the greatest. I put the team on my back, I hit the block with a plan, dominated, then I ran cause it's on to the next. Catch me in front of the plane, I cannot stop cause my drive is insane, mentally standing on top of a crane. I'm in the front of my lane, JV be pushing and pushing till top of the game. I'm touched by the rain, I am the storm, I just be taking and grinding, not taking, not grinding. Women so high, I don't know why. I just be flying the plane till I die. I wanna ball till I fall. I always answer the call. I got the